everybody, and welcome to another dance tutorial of Starseed House of Dance. Today we're going to share with you a few exercises for Kizomba and a small sequence of easy steps. Exercise or weight distribution. The task of this exercise is to achieve the awareness of the body weight distribution. Stand with your feet parallel, slightly apart. Engage all of your muscles and start transferring your weight from one foot to the other without interrupting your posture. Then try to transfer your weight back and front, changing your weight from toes to heels and opposite. And again, do not interrupt your posture. Last, start transferring your weight from toes to the outside edge of your right foot and to the inside of the left foot, then over your heels to the outside edge of the left foot and to the inside edge of the right foot, and last, return to your toes. Repeat to the opposite direction. This is crucial in order to make clear the intention of moving to any direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips contraction. Stand with feet together. Start by doing the basic step of Kizomba from side to side. And on each beat of the music, contract your abdominal and gluteal muscles. This way, we will achieve a nice hip isolation, which can be sharp or smooth, depending upon the interpretation of the dynamic of the music. Plus, this will improve your tarasha movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ribcage Isolation. Stand with your feet slightly apart. Start projecting your ribcage from side to side on each beat of the music by squeezing your side muscles and stretching the opposite muscles in every squeeze. After, project your chest, then your back in each beat by squeezing your abdominal and chest muscles while stretching your back muscles, and then squeeze your back muscles and stretch your chest and abdominal muscles. Combine all movements, projecting your sides, chest, and back First rightwards, completing a full circle, and then leftwards. Be careful not to interrupt your body posture throughout all of the exercise, and do not raise your shoulders. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Combination of easy Kizomba figures. Start with a slow basic step, which is a simple weight transfer from one foot to the other, and it takes 2 beats of music for each step. Quick basic step. A side step and a tap. First to right and then repeat to the left. Each action takes 1 beat of the music. Do not forget to close your feet. Make a curved step backwards with your right foot. Then project your left foot by tapping back. Then step forward on your left foot. Proceed to the shuffle step by making a side step with your right foot. Then close your left foot to your right foot. The duration for each step for this figure is 1 beat of the music, except the last 2 steps, which are half beat for each step. Repeat the figure. Rebound. Project your right foot to the side, then close it to the left foot, then make a side step and close your left foot to your right foot. Then your left foot projects to the side, closes and taps to the right foot, make a side step and close your right foot to your left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media. Share with your friends, and for any request, comment below. See you at the next one. Starseed.